A traumatic brain injury is probably the most overlooked diagnosis in the medical community. They miss it in the ERs. The follow-up doctors often miss it. It can happen just with the application of G-forces in an automobile collision. There are hard bony projections within the skull, and there is a contra reality to a lot of injuries when there's a big impact where the brain, which is basically floating in liquid, comes forward and crashes into that frontal part of the skull. And the brain injury science has increased over the last 20 years exponentially. There was a time when I was practicing law where I couldn't provide objective evidence of a brain injury. Now there are neuropsychologists who can do testing that will determine whether or not a particular area in the brain has been injured. And the MRIs have been so sophisticated of late, doing diffusion tensor imaging, that they can actually pick up now brain injury and show pictures of it. And that was a tool that wasn't available 20 years ago. And the science has been very helpful in terms of we as plaintiffs' lawyers proving a brain injury.